Hello everyone, this video is to discuss about WebGestart, which is a workbench for automatic integration and visualization of large-scale genomic sequence analysis. Introduction. Web-based GeneSet Analysis Toolkit is basically a set of tools for genomic sequence analysis, comparison and annotation with strong emphasis on visualization. It integrates graphically the output of the diverse sequence analysis algorithms that produce an information-rich interactive genomic map. It is one of the most widely used gene set enrichment toolkit that helps the users to extract the biological insights from gene of interest, and it has been cited in about 2500 scientific papers. Funding is provided by NCI and Cancer Prevention and Research Institutes of Texas and MC Neer Medical Institute at Robert and Janik Foundation. Why Gestalt? The answer is it provides a unique online resource for management, information retrieval, organization, visualization, and statistical analysis of set of genes through its modules. The major advantage of this resource compared with similar existing resources include its ability to retrieve the more information for all of the set of the genes in a particular gene set, and it provides a more ways to organize a gene set and appropriate visualization for each organization. It assists in choosing the appropriate statistical test. It provides the Boolean operations to generate the union, intersections, and differences between the gene sets and a simple and interactive user interface. This is the overview of WebGestalt. This package is composed of mainly the four modules, which are gene set management, information retrieval, organization and visualization, and statistic module. Gestalt is implemented in PHP language, while the annotations takes place using PHP layered menu system. This is the home page for Gestalt workbench. This figure is showing the system which is centered around the Gestart package to allow the easy access of users and programs. This package supports the functions like overrepresentation analysis, gene set enrichment analysis, and network topology based analysis. User-friendly output of this package allows the interactive and efficient exploration for the enrichment results. The package can be integrated into the other pipelines also. This slide is showing the query which was using ORA sample run tool of Gestalt. ORA, that is overrepresentation analysis, was done for a set of 100 differentially expressed genes characterizing the biological processes. This figure is showing the input for the ORA sample run. The basic parameters are the user defined for the input. For example, the organism of interest here was Homo sapien, method of interest was ORA, and file for the gene list of size 3 MB was uploaded for the analysis from database EST. This slide is showing the information about the approach. This is a method. ORA method examines the genes that meet a selection criteria and determines if there are the gene sets which are statistically overrepresented in that list. It needs to set a distinction between good and bad genes. Gene score threshold is basically a quantity which will determine how the genes are selected in this approach. Genes that meets the threshold requirement are considered to as the good genes, and FTR threshold is said to be 0.05 and allows to visualize up to 100 enriched sets. FTR 0.05 represents the 5% significant level for the threshold value, and the limitation of this approach is arbitrary thresholding and ignoring the orders of the genes in the significant gene list. These are the enrichment results in the tabular form from ORA. The table concisely summarizes the enriched functional categories with their statistics. Enrichment results are obtained by clustering the gene set with a statistical index, and then by identifying the representative for each cluster with priority for gene set with significant p-value. For the first three gene set here, the observed outcome is unlikely to be under the null hypothesis. Therefore, the p-value and FTR are 0 here. This figure is showing the detailed information section for ORA results. The figure is showing the GeoTerm, which is the apoptotic process. The scoring statistics is shown here. For example, the Venn diagram here for overrepresentation analysis shows the overlapping between the genes in the input and those in database. Total 116 overlaps were identified between the gene set and mapped input, and enrichment ratio is about 2.2134, which is obtained by ratio of number of observed genes upon the expected genes for each geoterm. Here the p-value and FDR are 0, which are indicating that probability to correct for random events that falsely appears significant is 0. This slide is showing the enrichment results in the form of bar chart. When the FTR for categories is smaller than or equal to 0.05, the colors are darker, while the colors for categories with FTR larger than this value are lighter shade. Here the bar chart is representing the classification of significantly differentially expressed genes in the GeoView. Vertical axis of the plot is representing the top rank gene ontologies with the smallest p-value, and horizontal axis is for significantly differentially expressed genes by their enrichment ratio, which is obtained by the ORA score upon normalized enrichment scores. This slide is showing the volcano plot for ORA sample run, showing the log of FDR against enrichment ratio for normalized enrichment scores for all of the categories in the search database. Significant categories will be near the upper corners of the plot, and size and color of the dot in the plot will proportional to the size of the category. Volcano plot, or a type of scatter plot, allows here us to identify the gene with a larger fold change that are significantly biological or statistically. Most upregulated genes will be toward the right of the plot, and downregulated genes will toward the left of the plot, and statistically significant genes will be at the top. This figure is showing the switching of the label text to gene set description in volcano plot. The labels of enriched sites are positioned automatically by a force field algorithm, and darker shade is representing the FDR less than or equal to the value 0.05, and lighter shades are for FDR greater than 0.05 value. This is the second query, which is using GeoDAG visualization tool of Gestalt. DAG, that is the directed acyclic graph visualization tool, was used for a set of gene ontology terms, which was cell cycle and cell cycle arrest under the biological process category of gene ontology. This is the input section for geoterm list in the tool. The ontology selection is in A section, selection of biological process category, and B section shows the suggestion function for geoterm input. This figure is showing the result output for the GeoTag result for list of geoterms. Here the nodes or the red colored boxes are representing the geoterms in the list, while the yellow are for their ancestors, which are non-enriched. DAG here offers the search function and other more options by right clicking the each node, and geoterms in red are significantly over represented in database. This is the query third using NTA sample run tool of Gestalt. NTA was done for the set of differentially expressed gene characterizing the stem cell differentiation. This is the input for NTA, that is network topology based analysis. Basic parameters are user defined, and here organism of interest was Homo sapien, method of interest was NTA, and functional database was PPI Biogrid, and gene list of analysis was uploaded from GEO database. This figure shows the result output for NTA method. The small sized gray circles are representing the other seed genes, and large gray circles are for top ranked seed genes, and orange colored circles are the genes with the selected functions. The graph here shows the results retrieved or expanded network for the geobiological process enrichment results, and the table list shows us the information about the top 10 enriched geoterms, and this graph is obtained by using the random walk probability for the input seed. Then the relationship among the seed is identified, and subnetwork graph is retrieved as a resultant output. This is the conclusion. Gestalt is designed for functional genomic, proteomic, and large-scale genetic studies from which large number of gene lists, including differentially expressed gene sets and co-expressed gene sets, are generated. It incorporates the information from the different public resources and provides the tools for management, information retrieval, organization, visualization, and statistical analysis of gene sets. The simple and interactive web-based interface provides the biologist an easy way to toolkit by integrating the output of the diverse sequence analysis algorithms. These are the references. Thank you so much.